Hello, welcome to this video to give you a flavour of the JPK 1080 ROSSKO, newly on the market at the end of 2021. The JPK 1080 is one of a range of yachts built by JPK Composites on the west coast of France. They're built using vacuum infusion, which maximises strength with a minimum of resin, hence weight, rigidity and longevity. The design of the JPK 1080 is very clever. A radical coach roof not only gives a view forward and aloft while inside the yacht, but also allows the jib track to come further inboard while staying close to the deck. Very useful addition when short-handed. ROSSKO is for sale as the owners have moved to a JPK 1180, which is maintained alongside this yacht. ROSSKO is very well specified, with all North 3DI wardrobe and a full-time boat captain. I'm afraid I don't have enough time to list the amount of trophies the JPK has won, but an overall win in the Fastnet in 2015 while sailed double-handed has to be fully appreciated by a sister ship. In the last year, ROSSKO has had further investment to optimise the sailing capabilities, such as adjustable tow-in for the rudders, an optimised deck layout and a repaint for the rig and Durapox on the underside. She really is a top yacht, and for full information and details please do contact me.